So may or may not have done a thing. Yeah, that.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
All right, everybody, welcome back. It is hot. Y'all probably don't want to see me. I don't have a shirt on. So I got the 6-inch rear drop put on the Blazer. Let's go underneath and take a look at what it looks like. Now that I've hit my head on a frame rail for about the 147th time, I might have just now decided I want to cut those off and put a roll pan on it. Maybe. So what we came for here, y'all, I went to the hardware store, basically got all new hardened grade 8 stuff, and what we have here is a set of well, it's basically the same thing Johnny Mac's got on his from Rome Garage. So if y'all want to see what all I got, you can check his out too. But we got some 2 to 3 inch D-arch leaf springs from Belltech here, which by the looks of things it's going to be a 3-inch for us because we got a Blazer, plus we're putting the interior and some in the back, so we'll definitely get the full 3 inches out of it. 3-inch Belltech lowering blocks with brand new U-bolts here, Belltech nitro shocks, and yeah, that basically makes it up. Of course, we got some paint rear end, all that stuff. Guys, with all this brand new hardware, I think this just looks amazing. I absolutely love it all clean like this. Still got a few scratches and stuff we got to work out, but I want to address something here. And if y'all look up in there, right about, where's my finger in this? Here. So right up in there, y'all can see, I have plenty of clearance. I am not going to hit the frame with this 6-inch drop. What y'all see that looks rusty up there is not rusty. It's actually just really undercoat, so it looks like I need to paint over the undercoat. No big deal. Figured there wasn't a whole big of reason to actually show y'all how I did this. I mean, pull the U-bolts out, pull out the front rear leaf springs, pull out shock bolts. You've already seen me complain about the shock, so everything else is on the internet. Just want to make a real quick video. Y'all, thanks for watching this Cretaceous. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.